All right, everyone. We are going to put in a doggy door. As you can see, I already marked the doggy door out. I already marked it, and I was gonna do it without show you guys, but because it's so simple, I think some people don't really worry too much about that doggy door. But because of that, I was like, well, let me just show you guys how to actually set up a doggy door. And what we're gonna do is first we place the one piece that come in come like this, but we actually take them apart and we measure, because you gotta slide it in. So we measure right here first, right? And you want to mark so this could go in the wall, okay? So you mark from outside. Actually, that's where the mark should be, outside, right? And you mark, and then you're gonna cut. But I already kind of cut this doggy door a little bit. So let me move for you guys. I should be cutting this way, so and the top should be a little higher. You want the doggy door pretty much sliding. We already measure the doggy door, and so now we already cut it. You guys see now we got to take it out. So we got to make sure the iron is off. The iron is stick in the back there, so you want to be careful. This door is metal, so it's not going to be like the next one. Just easy to come off. So you got to kind of do an extra little work here. And right there didn't cut, so we're gonna cut that again. Alright, get this door off completely, alright? Get the iron off. Be careful, because these is metal. Alright, see? We take off the piece. You're gonna see the foam inside, because these doors actually metal and foam. All right, so, and it's hot. Don't hold the edge, it's gonna be hot. Check this out, all right? So, doggy door is not hard. Now, the next thing, you gotta get this out. This out, this all this piece. But before you get that out, don't cut yourself. You wanna make sure you cut there. Alright, so alright, so this is supposed to slide right in. If you have any problem with it sliding, you just gotta make sure you cut again. You see the screw right here, so I gotta cut this one for the screw. Alright, I messed this door up a little bit, so I'm gonna go in this way and go through the bottom a little bit. Alright, enough space on this side and enough space right there. Which side should be inside? This is the inside piece. Anyway, this is the inside piece. Yeah, there you go. I know that's set right in. That's the inside piece, because when you want to lock it at night, you have a piece you're going to shove down. All right? So, and and that's right. All right.
Don't it be normally lower than that?
No, I mean, that's good. Right? And our dog is supposed to jump through. Man, fine though. Alright, so now we're going to cut outside, same thing, 2 ways, you can cut outside, we could drill right here and drill right here and mark all the 4 holes and then go outside and cut it. Or you could use the same machine and then you could just cut this way if it reach, right? But this machine is not reaching, so we're gonna have to go outside and cut. So we're gonna cut and come back. All right, so we are ready. When outside, we put some small hole right here, so we could know we put the level. You don't wanna miss it. And then we're gonna cut it the same way, but you guys already see that. So we're gonna cut it and cut it again. All right, I'm just gonna record it. Just test it. Perfect. Look at that. Almost perfect. Now we're gonna hit this one and get it done. Check it out. Whoa. Alright, so we got this piece and this piece. Yeah, they ain't good no more. Throw them out. We're gonna put them in the trap. And then take your blade and clean up. And don't cut your hand doing this stuff. Let's see if the outside fit. And fit perfect. One little piece right here. Go in and in. Saw that? That's Doggie though. Let me see if Kipsy gonna be able to come in. Kipsy, come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Kipsy, come on. Because he never see the dog, you know, before. Kipsy. Kipsy here. Bring a piece of food here, babes. Kipsy, come on. Come on, come on. Are you gonna jump? You can't even jump. What the hell? You disappoint me? That goddamn Kipsy don't wanna jump through, dog. You know, babe. Embarrass me on the camera. Is it? You want me? Hey, Kipsy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Good. Out. Look. That's it. You see that? You guys see that? That's the magic. Alright, so you gotta make sure you guys see the screw, because all this is useless if the screw can't reach it, alright? See the screw right there? I'm not sure if my screw is reaching the bottom. I doubt it. So now you guys can see the screw. You see the screw? Let me go up for you guys. Alright, we're going back to where the battery is, alright? Where the door is. Let's get this piece now. If you can, you would want somebody to hold the piece outside for you. But in that case, my wife left, so I don't know what's gonna happen. So what I'm gonna do here is where it is, where it is. I can see the screw. I gotta get the screw. Now let's get the screw in there. Side, Johnny, know this side. Come on. That's it. Let's see, we're gonna find out right now. That's my drill. That's it. And top gone in. Just gotta get this in, you know. In. And in too. And the top should go in now, and that's it. Let's see if outside look good. A little bit more right at this end. Only one need for it. There it is. Alright, so now that's it. Come on. Come on, Kipsy. Come on. You just gotta train on now, guys. And then the night, you don't have to lock it the night if we want. Is that a piece today?
No, don't lock it.
Just in case. I don't like it though. I don't really.
You could just stay up right there though.
Yeah, it can stay like that.
Yeah, cause go up a little. Cause she's small enough. Yeah.
She could go through that. She can go through with ease. That's enough for you to go through. And outside. See how it look outside. Yep. No more freaking bullshit with Kipsy. You gotta learn to in and out on one. Nobody know to get up and do anything that for you no more. I have to carry you and shit, bring you back. You are run through. You gotta hold some up to run through. Maybe. So doggy door is done. Just lock it in the night and open it. If you want, you press the button up. And right here. So you see what we do, we adhesive the top and the edge so you don't have that crease. Look good. Can you see right there? There's no crease again because we already adhesive it. So when you lock it, there's no excess air can go in there. Which is not gonna come in. It doesn't really matter from the outside as much. But just because of neatness, if you want your job to be neat, you want to do stuff like these. You know? Same thing. Alright. So you get so you guys see, clean it up nicely. You make sure you get a nice wet cloth, because if the cloth doesn't wet, it's not gonna clean neat. You know, you wanna clean it nice. Let's see, look at that crease. I hope you could see it. Look close. You see, there is no line in there, right? The idea is to cover stuff like these. You see that? You don't want that. See? And we're gonna fix that right now. Use your cloth. Make sure it clean nicely. There you go. Alright, so it's good now. Step back. Can't see no crease, no hole. Inside is the same thing. There you go. Look at that. See the edge? So you step back and you don't have that problem with the door, okay?